What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we are coming to you live from Museum Row in the Miracle Mile, Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Last couple of updates here have been real exciting. We're starting to see a lot more publicity that's coming around Jeff Koons' new sculpture that's in the back, split rocker, in the media, and it's official that they finally planted the very first plant near the nose, which you should be able to see towards the end of the video. Concrete on the north side's really coming in heavy and fast. I don't know what more we're going to be able to see around there before too long. Hopefully we can get underneath that canopy and check out a lot of the action that's going on. Plus, maybe try and get in there for a sneak peek before it opens, since we got so much installation going on inside the galleries. On that note, it is chicken apple time for the co-pilot. Oh yeah. If you like what we're doing, if you help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Super chat, super thanks, thumbs up the video. All that goes a long ways on helping us stay on the road, bringing y'all that excellent autumn content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.